Niigata, the land of pristine rice paddies, world-class sake, and believe it or not, a colossal airborne aerial kite-flying dog-fighting festival. Welcome to the Shirone Kite Museum, a shrine to a 300-year-old tradition known as the Shirone Otako Gassen, or the Shirone Great Kite Battle. Each summer, teams of neighboring warriors gather along the Nakano River, launching gigantic battalion-sized, war banner-esque kites, some stretching well over 20 feet tall, into the sky. The goal? Collide mid-air, tangle lines, and engage in a high-stakes aerial tug-of-war until one team's kite is ripped from the sky and plummets straight to the waters below. The origins of the Shirone Great Kite Battle are steeped in legend, tracing back to Japan's Samurai Edo period over 300 years ago. As the story goes, the residents of Shirone launched their kite high above the waters of the Nakano River, only for it to come crashing down into the fields on the opposite bank, flattening crops and ruffling more than just a few feathers. Not to be outdone, or perhaps just seeking pure revenge, the villagers on the other side sent up their own kite with a singular mission: crash-landed right back onto Shirone soil. What began as a tit-for-tat exchange of rope-tethered air-gliding skirmishes soon evolved into a grand tradition. Woven into the fabric of local culture. Today, the Shirone Great Kite Battle is a high-flying spectacle with participants of all ages, which is a testament to the region's competitive spirit, ingenuity, and a touch of good-natured mischief. Neighboring associations from the east and west sides of the Nakano River spend a year building these monolithic-sized kites. There are normally 5 to 6 teams on each side, with anywhere from 30 to 50 members per team. Inside the museum, you'll find these massive battle-scarred relics of past skirmishes, their bold calligraphy and vibrant colored designs telling tales of victorious flights and crushing defeats. There are also hands-on exhibits where you can try controlling a scaled-down version of these skyward behemoths, and the best part is where you can make your own kite. Our 808 entourage picked the print we wanted to fly and got to work. The room here was buzzing with inspiration while receiving instruction from several of the museum's volunteers. Theories of aerodynamic design, stealth flight properties, lift, thrust, physics, and drag coefficient were not discussed here. Instead, we were taught the simplicity of interlocking a few sticks, the kite's main structure, minimal yet vital and strategic glue application, and attachment to a virtually translucent thin, traditional Japanese washi paper. Each of our tour members was able to take to the skies for some aerial acrobatics. With a little help from one of the volunteers here, Paula's kite soared the highest. Dennis was given the reins to one of the museum's flagship flyers. Non-stop travel Doko Ga TV tour veteran and Hokkaido expert Gary also achieved aerial excellence. However, if I didn't know better, I could have sworn it looks like he was aiming for Melissa with his dive bomb assault. While I had some glue technical difficulties during assembly,
right there,
I too was able to achieve a little airborne success.
Top Gun Maverick action here in Niigata. Yep. I'm actually surprised this thing actually flew.
Wow! Oh! Oh! Kite down. How far do I have to run? Oh my God.
As our inaugural Shibata City tour unfolded, our non-stop travel Doko Ga TV group was granted a rare and intimate welcome, a blessing ceremony at the city's Suwa Shrine. Nestled within Niigata Prefecture, this hidden gem is a world away from the bustling, tourist-thronged temples of Kyoto or Tokyo.
So beautiful gate, the main gate of Suwa Shrine. This is like a guardian of the city. And as we come in, you can see the red gate This is called Torii Gate, and it's a boundary of our world to the sacred world. And whenever you see this paper hanging, this is something related to Shinto, something sacred. And before we go in, usually we purify ourselves. We have a beautiful dragon giving a water to us. Take some water from the dragon, and first you wash your left, and second you wash your right, and take some water to your left palm, and then rinse your mouth. And you're supposed to have some water left here that is used to wash the handle nicely for the next person who's going to use. The washing the hand means purification of the body. Rinsing the mouth is a purification of the soul. So inside and outside, we are very clean and purified to go into the holy place, which is a boundary of the Torii Gate. This is our world and the holy world.
The shrine grounds exuded almost cinematic serenity. The guardian Koma Inu, or traditional lion dogs, line the path here, warding off evil as silent stone sentinels. Japan's national religion of Shintoism is less a religion with a strict doctrine and more of a way of moving through the world with an awareness of the divine in everything: the trees, the wind, all things and all forces of nature. They were represented and personified by all the surroundings of this beautiful Suwa Shrine. Upon entering the Honden, or main shrine building, we were greeted by the priest here, who moves with the kind of deliberate grace that only comes from a lifetime of ritual. His steps, soundless on the wooden floor. On one hand, he held a branch of sakaki, a sacred tree ancient of belief, revered for its deep spiritual significance. As an evergreen, it symbolizes purity, longevity, and prosperity, embodying the unbroken connection between the human and divine realms. Sakaki serves as a conduit between the physical and spiritual worlds, reinforcing the harmony between nature and the sacred. Its enduring presence in rituals and shrines highlights its role as a bridge, linking humanity to the gods in a timeless exchange of reverence and blessings. There was something about the rhythm of the droning sounds of the priest's chants. It was measured, precise, a low murmur synced with the slight breeze and stillness of the air around us. As the blessing ceremony continued, the priest offered each of us a small collection of omomori, or Shinto amulets wrapped in a delicate fabric, each imbued with a prayer for protection and good fortune. With a measured grace, he offered each of our nonstop travel Doko Ga TV group members the omomori. As I turned mine over, I noticed the embroidered image of an iris, the symbol of Shibata city itself. In Japanese tradition, the iris, or jobu, represents purity, strength, and ability to ward off evil, making it a fitting emblem for a protective charm. The priest explained in hushed reverence that as the iris thrives at the meeting point of land and water, it also serves as a bridge between worlds. While Shibata City's Suwa Shrine may not command the global renown of its counterparts, what it lacks in visitor foot traffic, it makes up for an undeniable presence, serenity, and spirituality that each member of our 808 group got to witness firsthand, and very much so appreciated. So all of you beautiful, you guys are pioneers. It's the first time we're doing Shibata City. So I really appreciate all of you. Did they come by, Cora? Okay, everyone got something? So all of you have a wonderful evening tonight and for the rest of this day. Thank you all for being here. Kanpai. Kanpai. You already refill this one? Here we go. Thank you, everyone. Melissa Chang, Melissa 808, welcome.
Oh my God,
welcome. Welcome to
Thank you.
Biyu no Yado. This is in the Nagano area. There is onsen monkey here, which was amazing. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I have very wonderful memories of this place because I came here with Jamie Aki and Master Travel, Colleen, and a very amazing group of people here as we celebrated New Year's.
Oh.
Yeah, so got here in December of 2019, and then it became 2020.
Oh.
So this was, you know, if there was any tour to end 3 years of travel on.
Yeah.
This was it. This was a good one.
Here.
And I remember this. This is one of their signature dishes. So we need to actually take the shiitake, the mushroom, pop it on here to let it grill. So why don't we start by letting it cook?
That is the cutest thing. I can't believe I'm harvesting my own mushroom.
Right? It's like 4 years ago. Yep. Pop it on here.
This is so cute and so interactive.
Right?
I mean, how come we don't have this at home?
We've had numerous kaiseki dinners together. Of course, for
all
those.
delicious.
All delicious. For those that don't know, it's a Japanese traditional course menu. So we have all of these little samplings of wonderful dishes here. And of course, ingredients that are all fresh from this area.
So
A little bit of a salt, yeah, this mix they have here.
it looks like a herb salt or something.
Yeah. Wow, you got a crunchiness in there. That's really good. You're doing like a champ there, Melissa. Good job. Let's do the top. Excellent.
Nothing like fresh mushroom.
Or it's a little bit burnt. I love that.
Just
So
the right amount
good.
of burntness.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go to the tofu with peanut, sweet pickles, nozawana oyaki, and grilled red herring shell.
Wow. And it's perfect little bites.
Yes. We go for the tofu.
Okay.
Tofu with peanut butter is a wonderful thing, right? Look at this
And kind of healthy actually.
wonderful gelatinous cube of flavor that's gonna be had.
Itadakimasu.
Peanut butter,
Oh my god.
right? Peanut butter.
And it's light.
Yeah. For those that don't
Wow.
like tofu, add peanut butter.
Wow.
Amazing.
Delicious.
This is the wazana oyaki. You can see it inside. So good. Eat it. So where would you like to go next?
Ooh, okay. Do you want to do the sashimi?
Oh, yes.
Salmon and is that hamachi?
Hamachi, yeah.
And a
Got
scallop.
hotate in there. Kaiseki is like Christmas. The presentation is just always so wonderful with kaiseki. Even the shoyu is special here.
The shoyu special
Yeah,
here?
yeah. Fantastic.
Wow.
Approval? Yeah.
So moist and buttery.
Niigata, of course, right next to the Nihonkai Japan Sea. So, you know, in addition with the rice, which was amazing, their fish, their seafood is absolutely off the hook.
So dinner is just always great.
Wonderful. And I'm so happy that you're here with me, the Melissa 808. Or
I'm happy that I'm here with you too.
another adventure here in Japan, and we're with you know, a group of pioneers. I call them pioneers because they're doing this very first nonstop travel Doko Ga TV tour because we're going to Shibata City, right, which we got to go to in May.
Yes. Love it.
Rice harvesting this time. We got to actually try our hand at planting rice.
So are we going to be harvesting the actual rice that we planted?
Yes, I believe so. Yes, this is the timing. Yeah, because May, and then you harvest right here around September. So, yeah.
Love it.
So I think our sukiyaki will be ready in a little
Okay.
bit. We should stir it a little bit.
How do you know when it's ready?
Well, the candle will blow out when they light these things, but sometimes the timing is not 100%. But I'm a medium rare kind of guy, so I
Me
don't
too.
mind having it on the softer side.
So I'm lucky. Most of my friends are medium rare people. I have one friend who does it well done.
I have one friend who likes it well done too. So what I do is rather than ruin the whole experience, just order my own. Or I'll order that one for her
Yeah.
if she likes it well done.
Yeah.
You enjoy yours, we'll enjoy ours. So why don't we go here to the soba? Oh, look at that.
Oh, okay.
We're just gonna show off in our first slurp attempt. So light. The dashi, just the right amount of saltiness to it.
I really like the vegetables in here because it adds a little bit of texture to.
A little bit of crunch.
Yeah.
I dare say that our sukiyaki is ready to be had. Do you do raw egg with that?
I do.
Oh, good.
I love
good.
the raw egg. Oh, look at that. The yolk is so orange.
Yeah, that's what I love about the eggs here. I've seen a few places try it back home. I'm not willing to chance it. Are you ready, Melissa Chang?
I am so ready.
Oh.
Oh, that looks like a good steamy piece.
Drop it in our egg here. We're gonna do synchronized sukiyaki.
Ready.
Let's eat. Mmm.
The richness.
That meat just disappears.
It's so rich and so light at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, that's what you find right in good Japanese kaiseki dinners. Like the balance is amazing. Mmm. Mmm.
We did so much in one day. It doesn't even seem like.
Yeah. We have another night here at Biyu no Yado and making our way to Shibata. A lot more adventure, a lot more fun, a lot more great food.
As always, mahalo for watching the brand new non-stop travel Doko Ga TV adventure. Aloha!
After an amazingly delightful and delectable kaiseki dinner, Biyu no Yado Ryokan arranged a very special performance by one incredible Nagano resident. Nakano-san performed for our New Year's non-stop travel Doko Ga TV tour in 2019, and he was back again. He hasn't aged a day, and his skills in taiko, shamisen, and the one-man lion dance were as captivating and awe-inspiring as ever. As if Nakano-san's skills in wagaki, or Japanese traditional instrumentation, weren't impressive enough, he was also a celebrated martial artist and cultural practitioner. Nakano-san's intimate performance for us started with a deep inhale, and then the rise and initial strike with his bachi or wooden drumsticks. Each hit was deliberate, a rhythmic conversation between him and the taiko drum, oscillating between rolling crescendos and near silent pauses. His movements were like a dance, controlled yet primal, steeped in centuries of tradition, echoing through the mountains of Nagano like an ancient heartbeat. After a stirring and truly chicken skin performance, he invited several volunteers to try their hand out at taiko.
So it's very difficult to play like this by yourself. But you know, since you are here, I want you to try. And I understand we have a special guest. They have a wedding anniversary. Noel and Linda. Introduce another Cody. Happy retirement, Drunk and Deborah.
Nakano-san's finale was a Shishimai lion dance. This traditional dance is performed for good fortune and to ward off evil spirits, and normally done during New Year's or during special celebrations. As this was our first Shibata City tour for Nonstop Travel and Doko Ga TV, and in celebration of our return to Nagano's Biyu no Yado in 5 years, I couldn't think of a better way of wrapping up our amazing night here.